There is a lovely Miss Nicole Purvy, and I'm going to use her in this demonstration of how to use the Canva and Amazon integration making a video. So I took this video of her. She was in town for the Roots picnic, and as always, she had on this real adorable little outfit. And so what you can do in Canva, which I've already done ahead of time because it takes a while, so is remove the background. So now here's the video again with the background removed. And so what I can also do now is add a different background. Okay, maybe that doesn't look all that realistic, but I just wanted to do this as just a demonstration for me to show you how to use this feature. Okay, so the boots are not on Amazon, so I tried to keep the boots out of it. And so yeah, there was another one I tried, this one, and tried to make it okay, like she's in the park. I'm going to use this one. So now what I want to do is go to the app section, and I already have the Amazon app as one of my apps, and I'm going to do Amazon Creators app. All right, so now she brought this little bodysuit thing as well as this little fringe belt thing. Oh, to be young again. So I already had the ASIN for that little fringe belt thing. So now when I click on this, see how it asks me, tag and add to design or tag only. Well, I don't want it to add to the design, right? And this is new. This part is new, guys. So I'll just say tag only for the little bodysuit. Oh, to be young again. And once again, tag only. All right, now I can export on Amazon. I didn't yet change this to say MP4 video. You see that? So now I'm going to export. Okay, while that is uploading, and we'll go back and check on it. But what I want to show you here is to let the AI generate the title. I'm not going to fuss with all these other tools that we have to tell me all. So there you have it, a demo of using the Canva and Amazon integration app in order to create a video. You can remove the background from your video, replace it, do a lot of other things that, and depending upon what your design is and how it's all set up.